Hey, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, everybody. Sorry, today's kind of a late one. We're catching this just before the close of the market, and so it's been kind of a busy day. So my apologies for having a late posting here, but we got a couple of important economic news releases. So as we mentioned a few times this week, today's the jobs day. So we got non-farm payrolls. This is new jobs that are non-related to farms for the month of September. And last month in August, we had 142,000 new jobs that were created. And then they were figuring it would become a little bit more modest, about 114. So it was more modest, but a little bit better than the forecast. So a decent number, 114,000 new jobs created for the month of September. And the next one is the unemployment rate. So back in August, we had 8.1% rate. We figured it might slightly increase a little bit. Actually dropped down to 7.8. So, right now, so a lot of people are kind of questioning these numbers if they're accurate or not, if they're being cooked or not. But hard to say. I mean, obviously it's coming just before election time, so you choose yourself as to what you believe. But it dropped down to 8.1%, and we've had some pretty modest months worth of jobs. So I think they average about 100. So far, year to date, we've been averaging about 148,000 new jobs a month. To get caught up, we had to have over 300,000 new jobs, and just over the next 3 years, just to be able to even bring it down to be a more respectable level. So I guess choose for yourself. So we'll jump over to the next item here, and basically it's just the stock market's a little mixed. The morning it did start out, everybody was up. Right now, the only one that's up right now is the Dow Jones is the only one that's up right now. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at the bond market, see what the interest rates are doing. So we were up a bit of the day. We were up about 15 basis points earlier today. We started the day off right about here. So we did come over here, and we were up about 15 basis points, which would have brought us up to about this level. We did break so we don't have any opening gap or anything, because we did start way down here. And then right now we're about just 3 basis points higher. So we're testing the lower trend line here, the lower threshold here. So that's why but interest rates did creep up a little bit. The price did creep up. So as we saw, 105.38. Now we're at 105.19. So that's about almost 20 basis points jump. Worse than pricing there. So and up here we were up, put a touch of 106 practically. So you can kind of see the difference of how much in the pricing of a factor that would be. So you're looking at nearly at 1 point in difference in the rate adjustments here over this past week. Alright folks, you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for stopping by, and if you like, stop by Mike'sDailyMarketReport.com. You can subscribe, and as soon as I post these, you'll get an email sent over to you, so that way you can receive these on a daily basis. Again, thanks for stopping by, and you guys have a great weekend.